Now let us take another 2005 problem which says that if the coefficient of x raised to power 7 in this expression equals the coefficient of x raised to power minus 7 from this expression, then you have to find a relation between a and b. So let me write down the expressions first of all. This is x raised to power 7 n ax square plus 1 by bx raised to power 11 and x raised to power minus 7 from ax minus 1 by bx square raised to power 11. Okay, so obviously we'll follow the TRH plus one term, the method over here. It will be what? NCR a raised to power n minus r, b raised to power b raised to power r only, a raised to power n minus r and b raised to power r. So here the TRH plus one term will become 11CR ax square raised to power 11 minus r, and it will be what? Bx raised to power minus r. Okay, and we need to find the coefficient of x raised to power 7. So that means we'll have to add the powers of x to 7. So that will become what? X square. Let me write it down for those who do not know what is this. This is nothing but x raised to power 22 minus 2r. Okay, so that means the net power of x becomes 22 minus 2r minus r. Okay, and this has to be equated to what? 7, because you need the power of x to be 7. So that implies 22 minus 3r is equal to 7. So that implies 15 is equal to 3r. So that implies r becomes equal to 5. So if I put r equal to 5 in this expression, I'll get the coefficient of x raised to power 7. So that is equal to 11c5. A will be 11 minus 5 upon b raised to power 5, which is nothing but 11c5 a6 by b raised to power 5. Okay, this is now one step. Now the same step has to be done in this case. So what will be the TRH plus one term? TRH plus one term in this case will be 11CR ax raised to power 11 minus r, okay, minus 1 raised to power r, okay, and then upon bx square raised to power r. So the net term, you can say the net power of x will be 11 minus r minus 2r. Okay, and now this has to be equated to what? Minus 7. So that implies 11 minus 3r is equal to minus 7, which is nothing but 3r is equal to 18. That implies r becomes equal to what? Sorry, this implies r becomes equal to 6. So that implies the coefficient that we are looking forward to coefficient will become 11c6, okay, a raised to power 11 minus 6 minus 1 raised to power r over here will become positive because the power is even, and b raised to power 6. Now if you need to find the relation between a and b, how we do that? Okay, that is the main point now. That okay, we have found out these two values, then what ahead? It is given that these two coefficients are nothing but they are equal. So this is also given to you in the question. Okay, so basically these two are given to be equal. So that means 11c5a6 by sorry, I just rub this off. This is b raised to power 5 is equal to 11c6 a raised to power 5 b raised to power 6. You see, I can cancel these terms. This will be a over here and b over here. So it becomes, that implies ab is equal to 11c6 by 11c5. And if you see properly, both these terms are equal. So this becomes 1. Why? Because 11c6 is equal to 11c5 by the property that we have already done in the above questions, that if we subtract these two, what will get? 5. So that means 11c5 will be equal to 11c6. So that means AB is equal to 1 is the relation that we are looking forward to, which is given in the option D. So hence D option is the correct one. Okay.